Hi, Jessica. Welcome back to the Learn English Fast podcast. How are you today?
Hey, Mike, I'm great, thanks. And hello to all our listeners. We're so happy you joined us today.
Absolutely. Today's episode is all about daily routines, what we do in the morning, afternoon, and evening, and of course, the useful phrases you can use to talk about your own routine in English.
That's right. Talking about routines is such a common topic in English conversations. Whether it's with friends, at work, or in class, you'll often describe what you usually do during the day. So let's share our routines and highlight some natural phrases along the way.
Okay, let's start with the morning. I usually wake up around 6:30. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water to stay hydrated. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. It really helps me feel fresh and ready to start the day.
That's a healthy start. I wake up a little later around 7. After stretching for a minute, I go to the bathroom and get ready too. Breakfast is simple. Sometimes toast with jam or just oatmeal. Having a light breakfast gives me energy without feeling too heavy.
I like that. For me, eggs with toast are my go-to. And before leaving home, I always check my to-do list. It keeps me organized and sets the tone for the rest of the day.
Exactly. Saying, I check my to-do list or I set the tone for my day are really natural ways to describe those morning habits. Afternoons are usually busy for me because I have classes or study sessions. I try to stay focused, but when I feel tired, I take a short break. Even just standing up, stretching, or walking around for 5 minutes helps me recharge.
Same here. My afternoons are packed with meetings and project work. After lunch, usually something light like a salad or a sandwich, I regroup and tackle the important tasks. That phrase, tackle tasks, is perfect for explaining how you deal with work or assignments.
True. I also like the phrase, avoid the energy slump. If I eat something too heavy for lunch, I feel sluggish. But if I eat healthy, I stay productive.
Exactly. And another phrase I use is knock out my projects. It's an informal way of saying I finish them efficiently. Evenings are my favorite part of the day. After dinner, I usually take a short walk outside. I love the phrase, clear my head. That's exactly what walking does for me. It helps me let go of the stress from work.
That's a great idea. For me, evenings are about winding down. Sometimes I light a candle and listen to soft music. It creates a cozy atmosphere and helps me slow down the pace.
Oh, I like that. I often catch up on reading in the evening. Even if it's just 15 minutes, it feels like quality time. Another phrase I use is switch off from work. It means I completely stop thinking about tasks and focus on myself.
Yeah, I also try to unplug from screens. That means I stay away from my phone and computer for a while. Instead, I might do some light stretching or even write in my journal to reflect on my day.
Journaling is such a powerful habit. I sometimes set intentions for tomorrow in the evening. It helps me stay organized and positive.
And of course, I end my routine with some self-care. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and then I enjoy a cup of herbal tea. That's my signal to call it a night.
Beautiful. Evening routines don't have to be complicated. But adding little habits like clear my head, unplug from screens, set intentions, or call it a night makes them meaningful. And they're great English phrases to practice too.
Exactly. So that's our evening routine. Simple, relaxing, but full of little habits that make a big difference.
You're right, Jess. Remember, an evening routine is not just about going to bed. It's about recharging, reflecting, and preparing for tomorrow.
Yeah. And we hope today's phrases like clear my head, unplug from screens, and call it a night give you new ways to describe your own evenings.
Try using one or two of them tonight in your journal, or even when you talk about your day. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
And thank you guys for joining us here at Learn English Fast Podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe, share this with a friend who's also learning English, and keep practicing every single day.
Have a peaceful evening. And as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English with confidence.
Good night, everyone.